Meaning of Dixie Cup.
Dixie Cup.
Dixie Cup.
Dixie Cup.
Dixie Cup. Dixie Cup is a brand of disposable paper cups that are commonly used for drinking cold beverages. These cups were first introduced in 1907 and have since become popular in the United States. The name Dixie comes from the Mason-Dixon line, which separated the northern and southern states during the Civil War. The cups were originally made in the South and were named after the region. Today, Dixie cups are used not only for drinking, but also for various crafting and DIY projects due to their durability and convenience.